Hello students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to learn Maths Olympiad. It is useful for IIT Foundation and also competitive examinations. Let us see. One topic of this Maths Foundation is divisibility test. Today we are going to learn divisibility test in Maths Olympiad. Maths Olympiad. In this we are going to learn today divisibility test. Divisibility test. So this enough now? It is visible now? This size. Now divisibility test for 2. Divisibility test for 2. First one. Divisibility test for 2. What is the divisibility test for 2? So the numbers having in its unit place are even, then those numbers are divisible by 2. Or we can say that the units place having number is multiples of 2, then those numbers are divisible by 2. Or the number having at its unit place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are divisible by 2. So let us see by example, by taking one example. So example I am going to take here. Consider one number. So in this number, what is the unit place digit? It is even number. And also it is a multiple of 2. So what are the multiples of 2? 2 into 0, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. These are the multiples of 2 and also we call even numbers. The number, if the number consists at its unit place even number, or we can call multiples of 2. Those numbers are divisible by 2. So it consists 2, no? It is even number. So this number is divisible by 2. Therefore, 996376 is divisible by 2. Okay. Next, divisibility test for 3. Divisibility test for 3. So we will see divisibility test for 3. What is the divisibility rule for 3? So in a given number, sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. Let us see by taking one example. So example, you can take 701382. So you have to sum of all the digits in this number. So sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, that is equal to 7 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2. Now sum of this. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 2, 21. So sum of the digits is 21. Is 21 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. So this sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Then the number also divisible by 3. So therefore, the given number 701382 is divisible by 3. Okay. So next, divisibility test for 4. Divisibility test for 4. So divisibility test for 4. We can write 4 as a 2 square. The power is 2. So what is the divisibility rule for 4? In a given number, last two digits are divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Let us see this by taking one example. So example I am going to take here 12765. Okay, in this last two digits you have to consider. If these last two digits are divisible by 4, this last two digits, what are these two digits? 65. If 65 is divisible by 4, then the given number is divisible by 4. Now divide the 65 by 4. 4 1 are 4. So 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 1. So it is not divisible. We are not getting any remainder 0 here. So it is remainder something is getting 1. So it is not divisible. So it is not divisible means this given number also not divisible by 4. Therefore, given number 12765 is not divisible by 4. Next, divisibility test for 5. Divisibility test for 5. Divisibility test for 5. What is the divisibility rule for 5? The unit place digit or last digit of a given number is 0 or 5. Then the given number is divisible by 5. So last digits are 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. Let us take one example. So 65964. So last digit is 4. It is not 0 or 5. When the number is divisible, if last digit or unit place consists 0 or 5, then only it is divisible. Here it is 4, so it is not divisible. Last digit is not 0 or 5, therefore it is not divisible by 5. Therefore 65964 is not divisible by 5. Suppose if you keep it and last digit is 5, it is divisible. It is divisible. Or if you keep at last digit 0, this also divisible. If number consists last digit is 0 or 5, then only it is divisible. Otherwise, it is not divisible. So these are the divisibility test for 4 and 5. Next, coming to divisibility test for 6. So divisibility test for 6. What is the divisibility test for 6? Let us see this one. So divisibility rule for 6. The given number is divisible by the 2 and 3. Then only that number is divisible by 6. So factors of 6 is 2 and 3. So given number is divisible by 2 and 3. Then only the given number is divisible by 6. So consider one example. 10754. So divisibility test for 2. For divisibility test for 2, it is even number and also multiple of 2. So 4 is a even number. It is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. What is the divisibility test for 3? The sum of the digits obtained is divisible by 3. Then the given number is divisible by 3. Let us take sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. So sum it. 1 plus 0 plus 7 plus 5. What it become? 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 30. Is 13 is divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, the given number is not divisible by 6. So it is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. That's why it is not divisible by 6. Therefore, given number 10754 is not divisible by 6. Next, divisibility test for 7. What is the divisibility test for 7? In a given number, last digit is doubled and is subtracted from the remaining number. Then the number obtained. This process is continued. Still you will get a small sufficient number so that we can easily divide by 7. That small number is divisible by 7. Then the given number is divisible by 7. That is the rule. Let us see by taking one example. Consider one number 45076. So last digit you have to take. What you have to do? You have to multiply with 2, double it, minus 2, and subtract in remaining number. What is the remaining number? 4507. So 4507. In this we have to subtract 12. What we get here? 5, 9. So here what left here? 4, 4495. Again this is bigger number, no? Again you have to divide last, you have to multiply last number into minus 2. That is minus 10. Minus 10 you will get. Then what is the remaining number here? 449. Subtract minus 10. Subtract 10 from 449. So what you get here? 439. Again this is bigger number, no? Again we have to multiply 3 with minus 2. Minus 18 you will get. What is the remaining number here? 43. Subtract 18 from 43. So what do you get? 13 minus 8, 5. 3 minus 1, 2, 25. Is 25 divisible by 7? Is 25 divisible by 7? No. 7 3s are 25, 21. Remainder is 4. It is not divisible by 7. Therefore, the given number is not divisible by 7. Therefore, 45076 is not divisible by 7. Is it? Yeah. So we have to double the last digit and subtract them from the remaining number. Then we will get a subtracted result. This is big one if you feel. Then again you have to take last digit and double it and subtract from the remaining number. Again it is big one, no? Again you have to take last digit and double it and subtract from the remaining number. Whatever you get, if it is sufficient small number, then you have to divide that to small number. If it is divisible, then the number is divisible. If it is not divisible, it is not divisible by given number. Okay, is it clear? So next we will check for divisibility test for 8. What is the divisibility test for 8? So divisibility test for 8. Divisibility rule for 8. In a given number, last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. So let us see by taking one example. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 0, 6. In this number, we have to consider last 3 digits. If this last 3 digits is divisible by 8, then the given number is divisible by 8. So let us check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. 506. How many times it goes? 5 6 are 48. 2 is the remainder, 6. Next, 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. 2 is the remainder and 6 comes down. And how many times 26 will go? 8 3s are 24. So here remainder is 2. It is not divisible. So it is not divisible by 8. Then given number also not divisible by 8. Therefore, 123506 is not divisible by 8. Is it clear? Next, divisibility test for 9. What is the divisibility rule for 9? It is same whatever we did for 3, divisibility test for 3. So you have to sum up all the digits of the given number, and whatever you get, you have to divide with 9. If it is divisible, then given number also divisible. Otherwise, it is not divisible. So take one example for this. Six zero one 96. So what you have to do, take sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of a given number. What are the sum of the digits? First digit 6, second digit 0, third digit 1, fourth 9, and fifth 6. Add up this. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Is 22 is divisible by 9? No, it is not divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18. Here remainder is 4. So it is not divisible by 9. If it is not divisible by 9, then number also not divisible by 9. Therefore, 60196 is not divisible by 9. Okay, here. So divisibility test for 9 and 8 also. 8 also. 8 means last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Then the given number is divisible by 8. For 9, the sum of the digits, whatever will get that sum, is divisible by 9. Then the given number is divisible by 9. Otherwise, it is not divisible. Okay, clear? Next, we will see the divisibility test for 10. What is the divisibility test for 10? Divisibility test for 10 is very simple. The number consists in its unit place is 0, then it is divisible by 10. Unit place or last digit is 0, then it is divisible by 10. Very simple. So, taking one example, we will see that one. 65421. So, if we take a 0, then it is divisible by 10. Otherwise, it is not divisible. This number consists of 0. It is consistent 0 at the unit place. Unit place or last digit. It is a unit place or last digit we call. It consists 0. So it is divisible by 10. So therefore 65420 is divisible by 10. Next, divisibility test for 11. What is the divisibility rule for 11? In a given number, odd place, sum of the odd place digits and sum of the even place digits, their difference is divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. The difference of the sum of the odd place digits and the sum of the even place digit is divisible by 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Let us see by taking one example. So, in this number, the first place we take, let us take this one is odd place, odd place, odd place, odd place. 4 odd places we got. Next, this is even place, this is even place, and this one is even place. So, total 3 even places we got. So, sum of the odd place digits. Sum of odd place digits. The sum of odd place digits. What we get? 6 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1. So So 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 7, 22 plus 1, 23. Next sum of even place digits. Even place digits. Sum of the digits in the even place. So what are the even place digits? Those are 5 plus 9 plus 0. Only 3 digits we have in even place. So 5 plus 9, that is 14. So we have to take difference of these two sums. Difference. So what you get difference? Bigger number minus small number. 23 minus 14. So what you get here? 23 minus 14. 9 unit. Is 9 is divisible by 11? No, it is not divisible by 11. Therefore, the given number is not divisible by 11. Therefore, 6599701 is not divisible by 11. Okay, clear? So this is divisible by test for 10. If lot digit is contains 0 or at its unit place of number is 0, then it is divisible by 10. For 11, the sum of the difference of the sum of the odd place digits and even place digits is divisible by 11, then it is divisible by 11. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 11. If the difference is 0, then also it is divisible by 11. Clear? 0 is also multiple of 11. Clear? So next, divisibility test. Divisibility test for 12. So what is the divisibility test for 12? So rule for divisibility test for 12. The factors of 12 is 4 and 3. If the given number is divisible by 3 and as well as 4, then that number is divisible by 12. So let us prove this by taking one example. So one number will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? 3 and 4. First to test for 3. 3 means sum of the digits. It is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. So sum of the digits. Sum of digits. What are sum of digits? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 3, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 9, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Is 15 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 3. Next, divisibility test for 4. What is the divisibility test for 4? The last two digits are divisible by 4. Then it is divisible by 4. The given number is divisible by 4. If last two digits of the number is divisible by 4. So, is 45 divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4. So, check it. 4 1 ja 4. 5. 4 1 ja 4. Remainder is 1. So, it is not divisible by 4. Therefore, given number is not divisible by 12. Therefore, given number. What is given number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not divisible by 4. Is it clear? Next, divisibility test for 13. Divisibility test for 13. What is the divisibility test for 13? Rule for divisibility test for 13. If the given number, the last digit is multiplied with 4 and added to the remaining number. This process is continuing, still you will get a small sufficient number so that we can easily divisible by 13. If that number is divisible by 13, small number is divisible by 13, the given number also divisible by 13. Let us see by taking one example. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So what is the log digit here? 1. We have to multiply log digit with 4. 4 1 ja 4. So what is the remaining number here? 5432. Remaining number. Add this 4 to this remaining number. So 5432 plus 4. So this one becomes 5436. Again this is bigger number no. Again you follow the same process. Large digit is 6 multiply with 4, that will become 24. What is the remaining number here? 543. So add 24 to this 543. So what we get here? 765. Again this is bigger number now. Large digit is 7 multiply with 4. So this one become 28. What is the remaining number here? Remaining number is 56. Add 28 to the 56. So this one become 1484. Is 84 divisible by 13? Let us check. 84 is divisible by 13. How many times it goes? 13 6 are 78. Remainder is 6. So it is not divisible by 13. Therefore, given number also not divisible by 13. Therefore, 54321 is not divisible by 13. Clear? So this is the divisibility test for 13. Divisibility test for 12 is the factor of 12 is 3 and 4. The given number is divisible by 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 3. Here it is divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 4. So the given number is not divisible by 12. Here divisibility test for 13. So in the given number, large digit you have to multiply with 4, and whatever you obtain, that is added to the remaining number. So that one obtained number is a very big one. Again you have to consider the large digit and multiply with 4, and whatever the number we obtain, that number is added to the remaining number. So whatever that one you got, again it is bigger number. So large digit is did same process. You have to multiply with the 4, and whatever you get, that you have to add to the remaining number. Whatever you get, the product is very small, so you have to test whether it is divisible by 13 or not. If it is divisible by 13, then given number is divisible by 13. Is it clear? Next, coming to the next divisibility test. Next divisibility test for 14. What is the divisibility test for 14? So first we have to take the factors of 14. What are the factors of 14? 7 2s are 14. So factors of 14 is 7 and 2. So factors of 14. 2, 7. What is the divisibility rule for 14? The factors of 14 is 2 and 7. So given number is divisible by 2, and as well as it is divisible by 7. Then the given number is divisible by 14. So let us see by taking one example. So example, I am going to take one number. So 3 8, and we will take one, okay, 5. So last digit is odd number, or it is not a multiple of 2. So it is not divisible by 2. So if large digit is even number, or it is multiple of 2, then only it is divisible by 2. So it is not divisible by 2. Next, divisibility test for 7. How to do divisibility test for 7? So same process. You have to double the last digit and subtract from the remaining number. So 7 0 1 3 8 5. What is the last digit here? 5. We have to double it. This one. So minus 10. This 10 is subtracted from remaining number. What is the remaining number here? 70138. Subtract this one from this. So 8 2 7 0. Okay. Again do the same process. 8 into minus 2 minus 16. So subtract this one. I will write there. So what is the remaining number here? remaining number is 70128. 128 7012. We have to subtract 16 from it. So 12 minus 6, 6 will come. So here 10 will get 9. So we borrowed 1 from here, 9 will get 9. We borrowed 1, 6, 6, 9, 9, 6. So again it is big one now. Large digit. Have to multiply with minus 2. Minus 12 will get. This one you have to subtract from remaining number. 6, 9, 9. So minus 12. So this one become 7, 8, 6. Again this one you feel big means again you do same process. Large digit is multiplied with minus 2. Minus 2, that is 14 you will get. Minus 14 you will get. This one you have 14 is subtracted from remaining number. So here what we get here? 54. Is 54 is divisible by 7 or not? Divisible or not? Or not? Not divisible. Because 7 7 is 49. Remainder is 5 will get. 54. 7 7 is 49. Remainder is 5. So it is not divisible by 7. So therefore given number also not divisible by 7. So the given number is not divisible by 2 and as well as 7. So it is not divisible by 40. Therefore 701 385 is not divisible by 40. Is it clear? Next divisibility test for 15. Divisibility test for 15. What is the divisibility test for 15? So factors of 15. 3 5s are 15. So divisibility rule for 15. So the given number is divisible by 3 and as well as 5. Then the given number is divisible by 15. Let us see by taking one example for this one. So now I am going to take one example for this one. 99635. In this divisibility test for 5, sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. First divisibility test for 3 we are going to see sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. That is equal to 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5. So this one becomes 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 3, 27 plus 2, 32. Is 32 is divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. 3 10 are 30, 2 is the remainder. Next, you have to check for 5. Large digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. But it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, the given number is not divisible by 15. If both are satisfied divisibility test, then given number is divisible by 15. But one is satisfying, another one is not satisfying. So therefore, given number 99635 is not divisible by 15. Is not divisible by 15. Next, divisibility test for 16. What is the divisibility test for 16? Let us see. So divisibility rule for 16. It can be written as 2 power 4. Then given number, in the given number, last 4 digits are divisible by 16. Then the given number is divisible by 16. last four digit of the given number must and should be divisible by 16. Then only the given number is divisible by 16. Otherwise, it is not divisible. Let us see by taking one example. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the last four digits here? 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us check. These four digits are divisible by 6 or not. So 4, 3, 6, 1 with 16. 16 twos are 32. What is remains here? 1, 1, 2. So again we have to divide 1, 1, 2. How many times it goes? How many times it goes? 7 times we take. 7, 6 times we take. 6, 6 are 36. 7, 6 are 7 times we take. 7, 6 are 42. 7. So remainder is 0. Again we take down 1. 1 is the remainder. It is not divisible by 16. It is not divisible by 16. So remainder is 1. So given number is not divisible by 16 because the last four digits are not divisible by 16. Therefore 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is not divisible by 16. Clear? Next divisibility test for 17. Divisibility test for 17. Next divisibility test for 17. What is divisibility test for 17? So rule for divisibility test for 17. In a given number, last digit is multiplied with 5 and whatever you obtain that product is subtracted from remaining number. So this process is continued. Still you will get a small sufficient number to easy to divide with 17. Until then you have to continue this process. When that small number, sufficient number is divisible by 17, then the given number is divisible by 17. Otherwise it is not divisible by 17. Let us see this process. So here we are taking one number example. 8, 9, 2, 3, 4. 8, 9, 2, 3, 4. Now check whether this is divisible by 17 or not. For this, we have to consider the large digit and multiply with minus 5. So what we get? Minus 20. 20 is subtracted from the remaining number. What is the remaining number is? 8, 9, 2, 3 is the remaining number. So from the remaining number, we have to subtract 20. So what we get here? 8903. So again it is big number now. So last digit is multiplied. 3 is multiplied with minus 5. That will get minus 15. Now again the same process. This 15 is subtracted from remaining number. Here remaining number is 890. 890. From this subtract 15. So 5 will get 7, 8. Okay. Again, this is big number. Last digit we have to multiply with minus 5, minus 25 will get. This is the remaining number. So add this 20, subtract this 25 to this remaining number. Okay. If you subtract, what we get? 2, 6. It is small sufficient number now. Check whether it is divisible by 17 or not. So 62 is divisible by 17? No, it is not divisible by 17. So how many times it goes? 17 threes are 51. 17 threes are 51. So remainder is 11. So 11 is not divisible by 17. Therefore, the given number also not divisible by 17. Therefore, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4 is not divisible by 17. Next, divisibility test for 18. What is the divisibility test for 18? Divisibility test for 18. So, divisibility rule for 18. The factors of 18 is 2, 9. 2 nines are 18. So, the given number is divisible by 2 and as well as a 9. Then the given number is divisible by 18. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 18. Let us see by taking one example. Okay. In this factors of 18, what are the factors of 18? 2 and 9. So divisibility test for 2. If last digit is even or multiple of 2, it is odd number no? It is not even and also it is not a multiple of 2. What are the multiples of 2? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So this one is a odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. So first case it is failed. Next coming to divisibility test for 9. What is divisibility test for 9? Sum of the digits. The sum obtained is divisible by 9. Then given number is divisible by 9. Now let us take the sum of the digits. So sum of digits. What are sum of digits? 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1. Sum of the digits you have to take. So what is the sum we will get here? 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 3, 23 plus 5, 28 plus 1, 29. Is 29 is divisible by 9? Is 29 is divisible by 9? No, it is not divisible by 9. Because 9 3s are 27. What is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. So it is not divisible by 9. So if it is not divisible by 9 and as well as 2, therefore the given number is not divisible by 18. So therefore 3, 8, 2, 7, 3, 5, 1 is not divisible by 18. Clear? Next, divisibility test for 19. What is the divisibility test for 19? What is the divisibility test for 19? In a given number, last digit is doubled and added to the remaining number. This process is continued. Still, you get a sufficient small number so that we can easily divide with 19. If that sufficient small number is divisible by 19, then the given number is divisible by 19. Otherwise, that number is not divisible by 19. Let us see this process by taking one example on the board. So, let us take one example. 98032. Okay. So here last digit you have to take and double it. So what you get? 4. What is the remaining number here? This is the remaining number 9803. and add that product to this remaining number. So remaining number 98032 plus 4. So what you get here? 98036. This is big number now. Again, you follow the same process. Last digit is doubled. So whatever you obtain that product, you have to add to the remaining number. What is the remaining number here? 9803. Add this to that one. 518. So it is still a big one. Same process you have to continue. So what is the last digit here? 5 is the last digit. In the given number, the obtained number, 5 is the last digit, and double the 5 will get 10. So this is the remaining number. So add that 10 to this remaining number. So what we get here? 999. Again this one big no. Same process you continue. 1 is doubled, it becomes 2. So what is the remaining number is 99. Add 2 to the 99. That will become 101. So is 101 is divisible by 19? Check it. So 101 you have to check whether it is divisible by 19. So 85 not divisible. Six times you take 114 will get it is more. 5 times 85 will get 95 will get 85 will get 45 95 95 will get. So 19 5s are 95. 6 is the remainder. So it is not divisible by 90. So given number also not divisible by 90. So therefore 98032 is not divisible by 90. Okay. Next divisibility test for 20. What is the divisibility test for 20? In a given number, last two digits are multiples of 20. So what are the multiples of 20? 0, 0, double 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, so on. These are the multiples of 20. If last two digits of the given number is multiples of the 20, then the given number is divisible by 20. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 20. Let us see by taking one example here. So 109860. So last two digits you have to check. This is multiple of 20. What are the multiples of 20? 20 into zeros are 0. Double 0 you have to keep. 21 are 20. 2s are 40. 3s are 60. 4s are 80. 5s are 100. Again double 0 will get. So these are the multiples of 20. So here 60 is adding here. So last two digit is 60. 60 is divisible by 20. 60 is divisible by 20. So how many times? 3 times it goes. So it is divisible by 20. The given number is divisible by 20. Therefore 109860 is divisible by 20. Okay. Next, divisibility test for 21. What is the divisibility test for 21? So the factors of 21 is 3 7 are 21. The given number is divisible by 3 and as well as 7, then that number is divisible by 21. Otherwise it is not divisible by 21. Let us see by taking one example on board. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So check this one. So factors of 21. 3 7 are 21. Let us check for divisibility test for 3. Sum of the digits you have to take. Sum of digits. That is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. You already know this one. 15 you will get. Okay. 5, 6, 10, 15 you will get. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now check divisibility test for this number by 7. Whether it is divisible by 7 or not. So first you have to take unique digit of this number. So what is the condition? You have to double the unit digit number and subtract that one from the remaining number. So this is the remaining number. So 5 into minus 2 minus 2. So subtract 10 from this number. So what you get here? 1, 2, 2, 4. So this is big number. No? Again you continue the same process. 1, 2, 2, 4. What is the large digit? 4. 4 is multiplied with minus 2, minus 8 will come. Here remaining number is 122 and subtract 8 from 122. So what we get here? 4, 1, 1. Again you feel this one big means again you do same process. Large digit multiplied with minus 2, minus 8 will get. So this is the remaining number. So subtract from remaining number. What you get here? Remainder 3 will get. 3 is not divisible by 7. 3 is not divisible by 7. Or otherwise you check here. 114 is not divisible by 7. Here only check if you have doubt means here only check. Divisibility by this number by 7. 114. 7 1 ja 7. 44. 7 6 ja 42. 2 is the remainder. So it is not divisible by 7. It is divisible by only 3. It is not divisible by 7. So the given number is not divisible by 21. Therefore, what is the given number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not divisible by 21. Next, divisibility test for 22. So what are the factors of 22? 2 11s are 22. Factors of 22. 2 11. So what is the divisibility test for 22? The factors of 22 is 2 and 11. The given number is divisible by 2 as well as 11. Then the given number is divisible by 22. Let us check this by taking one example on board. So 6605. So here divisibility by test by 2. Log digit is multiple of 2 or even number. So it is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. Next divisibility test for 11. So how to find divisibility test for 11? Odd place digit, odd place digit, odd place digit. This is even place digit, even place digit. Sum of odd place digits. Sum of digits in odd places. In odd places. Odd places. So what are the digits in odd places? 6 plus 0 plus 2. This one is 2. Next, sum of the digits. Sum of the digits in even places. So what are the even place digits? 6 plus 5. That is the difference of these two sums. Difference of these two sums. Bigger number is 11, smaller is 8. So what is the difference we will get here? 11 minus 8 is 3. So 3 is not divisible by 7. 3 is not divisible by 11. So it is failure. Divisibility test is failure for 11. This number is not divisible by 11. So the given number is also not divisible by 22. Therefore, given number 66052 is not divisible by divisible by 22. Next, divisibility test for 23. What is the divisibility test for 23? In the given number, last digit is multiplied with 7 and added to the remaining number. This process is continued, still you will get a sufficient small number so that we can divide with 23. So that sufficient small number is divisible by 23. Then the given number also divisible by 23. Let us see this process by taking one example on board. 5496 2. So last digit. What is the last digit here? 2. 2 is multiplied with 7. So we will get 14. 14 is added to remaining number. If we add the 14 to the remaining number, so what we get? 5496 plus 14. 10. Okay. Again last digit you have to multiply with 7. 0 will get. This is remaining number. So add 0 to this remaining number. So what will get? 551. Again it is looking big, no? Same process you continue. 551. Last digit is 1. It is multiplied with 7. 7 you will get. Add to the remaining number. This is the remaining number, no? 55 plus 7. So what we get here? 62. Is 62 is divisible by 23? No, it is not divisible by 23. Check it. 23 2s are 46. 6 1. 16 is the remainder. 16 is the remainder. So it is not divisible by 23. So therefore, the number is not divisible by 23. Therefore, given number 54962 is not divisible by 23. Not divisible by 23. Next, divisibility test for 24. Divisibility test for 24. So factors of 24 you have to take. So what are the factors of 24? 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 8 3 is also 24 will get. That also you can do. 8 3 is also 24 will get. So what is the divisibility rule for 24? So the given number is divisible by 3 and as well as 8. Then that number is divisible by 24. Otherwise it is not divisible by 24. Let us check by taking one example on board. So let us take one number 71203. Okay, first divisibility test by 4. So sum of the digits. Sum of the digits. What are the sum of the digits? 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Is 13 is divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 is remainder, so it is not divisible by 3. Now you have to check divisibility test for 8. What is the divisibility test for 8? Last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then it is divisible by 8. What are last 3 digits? 2 0 3. Whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Check here. 2 0 3. 8 2s are 16. 43. So how many times it goes? 8 5s are 40. So remainder is 3. So it is not divisible by 8. It is not divisible by 3 and as well as it is not divisible by 8. So this even number is not divisible by 24. Therefore 71203 is not divisible by 24. Okay, that's all today's class. We will see some more Olympiad methods, different methods, IIT methods and competitive exam methods in next class, that is comes part 2. This is part 1 is over, part 2. Okay, see you in next class.